Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be covering a fundamental skill, how to save your Eviews output in either an Excel file or MS Word file. This can be incredibly useful for sharing your results, creating reports or simply organizing your data. So let's start. Firstly, make sure you have your data loaded in Eviews. In our case, we already have dataset loaded and ready for analysis. Now let's conduct a quick analysis. In this example, we will run a correlation to generate some output that we can save. After running the analysis, we will have our result displayed in the Eviews output window. How to export this output in Excel? What we need to do is first we need to select all our data. Go to Edit and click on Copy. And then open your Excel file and paste it over here. As this is the student version, so this will be paste like image. So you may convert this image data to editable text by using any online tool and then exclude the irrelevant text like in my file. I exclude some values which I don't want to show in my analysis, like here I stick to 4 digits number, and I also change the font size and font type for my table and also give the heading for this table. If you prefer to use MS Word file, open a new Word document, copy and paste your formatted Excel table into the Word document, adjust formatting if necessary. And there you have it. You have successfully saved your Eviews output in both Excel and MS Word format. This simple skill can greatly enhance your ability to share and present your analysis result. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. And leave any question or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.